Alright, so what is up YouTube? It is your boy SB Buku back. And as you can see, I have two Nike boxes. So if you guys are looking at the title of this video, you guys already know what this is. This is the Nike Air Fair Guide unboxing video for their collection for, I guess, fall into 20, their collaboration. So just gonna get into this really quick. Gonna do another video showing how this stuff looks on. And by the way, I know it's been a minute since I've done a video. I've been busy, just living life, working, and other things. But just had to do this video really quick for you all. As you can see, this one is already ripped because it was attached to the tape. So when I ripped it open, but anyway, let's get into this unboxing. So get a quick look at the stuff. As you guys can see right here, you see a drawstring, so you can tell that these are the shorts. Got a size large, which is typically the size that I'm wearing most things. Sometimes I get an XL. Price tag on that is $125. And these items were purchased on the Nike sneakers app. And I know that they were also available regularly on the Nike app. I ended up having sneakers app because I was trying to keep the ceramic cups same day also. So, oh man, these shorts are clean, but man, they are literally what they are called, shorts, because they're short. Just looking at them, you can see that NBA logo right there, just like on the authentic jerseys. They don't have the white line around it, but it's like embossed on there with this like rubbery feel. These are some nice shorts, man. Like a nylon inside, feels like mesh and nylon waistband. Got zipper pockets. Let's check out the front. Okay, there's that Air Fair guy right there. Looks very dope, vintage looking. Drawstring, draw cord, whatever you want to call it. It's like a cream colorway. Now this is very dope, this tag right here. So first you have the Nike Lab tag. Anytime you do, Nike does like collaborations with like brands such as this. They do like Nike Lab is the company or whatever. It says designed and tailored by Fair Guide exclusively for Nike and quality sporting goods. Beaverton, Oregon, USA. There's the 20, I guess, for the year. There's the Nike Lab tag. Gary Lorenzo Fair Guide. And there's the Nike tag on it. So these shorts are really clean, man. Like I said, they look short, but that's how the kids are wearing them nowadays. Has another pocket on this side with a zipper. Hopefully they're not too short on me once I choose to wear them, if I decide to wear them. But anyway, let's get into this next one. You guys can see right there the price on that, $250. It's almost in the shoebox. So you guys saw like the pictures Gary Lorenzo posted on Instagram. You had I think what's his name, Franklin Jackson or whatever his name is. I can't even think. He plays for the Pelicans, which is where I live in New Orleans, where I'm from. But he had him as the model for this stuff. You guys can see I have a size large. Got the Nike check right there. And this thing is clean, man. Embroidered right there. NBA logo, rubber, whatever, right there again. It's a clean, plain jacket. This has the same thing on the inside, just like on the shorts with the 20 size tag right there. Nike Lab, Jerry Lorenzo Fear of God, price tag. Oh, let's see with the back. So this is basically almost just like the shorts, man. It would have been dope if they would have put Air Fair Guide like across the back. I think that would have been very nice, but let's lay this down. floor. I'm I should be laying something this bright on this floor. But just so you guys can get a quick, nice view of it. That is really nice. Like I said, I got a large in both items. I think this is gonna be clean come this winter / spring. And here's the shorts. I don't think I'm bold enough to wear both. But both of them will get rocked. I will get rocked in both of them. But anyway, there's those items. You guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys ended up purchasing, or if you had any luck, if you didn't have any luck. I know the secondary market, like StockX, is not too bad. The prices aren't too bad. Just looking really quick at like this stuff. Let's see if it'll focus. They're like Nike on this drawstring tip. It's like plastic and it says Nike in white. I'm sure you guys can see that now, but anyway, like I said, you guys leave comments, like this video, you know, subscribe if you want to. I would like it, I appreciate it. That might inspire me to keep making more videos. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all stay tuned for more. Have a blessed day. Peace.